All right. So the examiner here actually singled out this phase 2 metabolism of xenobiotics. Okay. So I know that the first phase 1 of xenobiotics would consist of what? Reduction, oxidation, hydrolysis reaction. But the phase 2 is more of like conjugation. So they said that what? List 5 endogenous conjugants and their active form in phase 2 metabolism of xenobiotics. Okay. So this is it. You see, this is what? Phase 1. This is what? Phase 2. Phase 2 is mostly what? Conjugation. Okay. Conjugation. So we said that phase 2 metabolism is also known as what? Conjugation reactions. And it involves coupling the xenobiotics. That's basically what? Foreign substances. When you say conjugation, conjugate, you are joining one part and one part. Okay. So it involves coupling the xenobiotics with endogenous molecules. And this is because you want to enhance their water solubility and facilitate excretion. So it's just like we took in poison. So the poison now later on it will be combined with some body substances just to facilitate what? Its excretion. Again. So here are some key endogenous conjugants and their active form. So they said you should list 5. Okay. So I'll start from number 1. Glucuronic acid. I'll talk about it. Number 2, sulfate. Number 3, glutathione. Number 4, amino acids. Number 5, methyl group. So me now, I'm talking about the active form. I also added the enzymes and I added the function. You get? So that if they twist this question anyhow, you can still answer it, right? So for glucuronic acid, the active form of glucuronic acid is what? Glucuronide. Okay. The enzyme that can act on this is what? UDP glucuronyl transferase. Okay. What is the function? Okay, what's the function of the enzyme? Just to increase solubility and excretion of the what? Glucuronic acid. Okay, so you can actually grab just the substance, the active form, and the enzyme. There's no need for this function. All right, I think so. Then sulfates. The active form of sulfate is still sulfate. The enzyme that acts on it is what? Sulfotransferase. Simple. It enhances water solubility and excretion. Then we have glutathione. Active form of glutathione is what? Glutathione conjugates. The enzyme that can act on them is what? Glutathione S transferase. Okay. So the enzyme actually detoxifies reactive intermediates and facilitates excretion. The function is not really needed. Just grab the active form and the enzyme that can act on it. Okay. Then moving to the next one is what? Amino acid. Amino acid active forms include glycine, taurine, and others, right? Then enzymes that can act on this is what? Amino acid transferases. Okay. Then we have methyl groups. Activated form is what? Methylated compounds. Okay. The enzyme that can act on this is what? Methyl transferase. Okay. As simple as that. All right. So that's it for what? Examples of endogenous conjugants and their active form in phase 2 metabolism of what? Xenobiotics.